Wingham Station. Please respond to 52 Veterans Road, Unit 1. Call is advising that she had a wall plug in the outlet. Her outlet is now melted, and there was a spark when she removed the wall plug. She only has power in half her unit now, unknown cause. And there's no smell of smoke, and the wall is not hot. That's 52 Veterans Road, Unit 1. Time of page is midnight 13:54. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to 52 Veterans Road, Unit 1. Callers advising that a wall plug in their outlet. Their outlet is now melted, and there was a spark when she removed the wall plug. There's no smell of smoke, and the wall is not hot. She also only has power in half her unit now, unknown cause. That's 52 Veterans Road, Unit 1, cross streets Victoria Street East and Center Street. Time of page is midnight 14:41.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page for Wingham Station, and you can also mark car 3 responding.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responding to 52 Veterans Road for the report of a possible electrical fire. Alpha Delta plus 3 belted.
That's Roger. Engine 1 is responding Alpha Delta plus 3 belted at midnight 22.
Dispatch, you can mark car 1, car 2 respond.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 arriving on scene. We have what appears to be a multi-unit residential structure. Nothing showing at this time. Alpha will be command, command will be mobile. We'll be investigating.
That's Roger. It's a multi-unit residential structure with nothing showing. Alpha's in command and mobile investigating at midnight 23.
Dispatch, car 1 on scene.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, you can show ladder 2 responding. Charlie, car 4 plus 3 belted.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Can you just benchmark? We're actually at the address of 53 Veterans Road. We've been flagged down by a homeowner. There still is nothing showing. Still a multi-unit residential structure. What you can show, we're sending an entry team in of 3 to investigate, and 360 in progress.
That's Roger. You were flagged down by the homeowner of 53 Veterans Road. There's still nothing showing. It's still a multi-unit residential structure. Entry team of 3 is being sent in to investigate. 360 in progress, midnight 26.
Dispatch, you can show ladder 2 on scene.
Roger, ladder 2 on scene, midnight 26.
Command, call entry 1. Go ahead, entry 1, command.
Show entry 1, entering the structure. Car 2 welfare. Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
You can show entry 1 is located at the outlet, just about 10 feet in the front door. No fire extension located. Now just locating the circuit breaker.
Roger that. You located the suspect outlet 10 feet inside the front door. Can you just advise, is it in the hallway or is it in a certain unit number?
Command, entry 1. It was just inside the very first unit, straightforward through the hallway.
entry 1. Just inside the first unit, first hallway. You're disconnecting the circuit breaker. Fire dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
You can benchmark 360 complete, nothing new to report. Our entry team has also located the outlet, and they claim no fire extension and will be disconnecting the circuit breaker.
That's Roger, 360 complete. Entry team located the outlet, no fire extension. Will be disconnecting the circuit breaker midnight 29.
Fire dispatch, you can mark car 3 on scene.
That's Roger, car 3 on scene, midnight 30.
Command, call Charlie.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
Just for an update here, we cannot confirm which circuit is attached to this outlet. The outlet itself is dead. We've contacted a 24-hour electrical service to be on site. They should be arriving in about 30 to 40 minutes.
That's Roger, you cannot confirm which circuit is attached to the outlet. The outlet is dead. You have contacted a 24/7 electrical service to be on site. ETA 20 to 40 minutes at midnight 46.
Fire dispatch, you can show ladder 2 clear.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
You can show the first entry team has exited the structure. We'll be sending in a second entry team still to investigate and to complete a smoke alarm check.
That's Roger, the first entry team has exited the structure. You're sending in a second entry team to investigate and to complete a smoke alarm check. It is midnight 59.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
You can show entry 1, re-entering the structure, alpha side. Conduct the air quality check and smoke alarm check of the first unit.
Roger that, entering the structure, alpha side for air quality check and smoke alarm check, first unit.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
Could you bring some electrical tape out of the toolbox we normally use for battery removal to the front door?
Roger that, will do. Fire dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show electrical contractor on scene.
That's Roger, electrical contractor on scene at 0117.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
You can show that we have disconnected the circuit via the electrical contractor. Just for an update too, we have completed a smoke alarm check. They were found to be not in compliance. We have installed 3 combination smoke and CO alarms. At this point, command will be terminated. All units will be returning to their stations, and the scene will be left with the property owner and the electrical contractor.
That's Roger, you disconnected the circuit via the electrical contractor. You did the smoke alarm check and installed 3 combination smoke and CO alarms. Commands terminated, all units returning to scene, left with homeowner and electrical contractor at 141.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 clearing, returning to Blyth Station.
That's Roger, car 3 clear, returning to station at 143.